Okay, this is the unboxing of my shipment from Japan. I have like 3 enameled cast iron pots, and so here is the unboxing. So I'm really excited about unboxing these 3. They are, it's a small chef's oven. It's like 2.5 quart chef oven in Chiffon Pink. I've never seen that in that color. And then I got 2 round Dutch ovens. One is traditional, one is signature. So that means the handles are different. So the signature has wider handles. 3.5 quarts over there, the traditional, and this is 3.5 quarts as well. Anyways, let's unpack. I got a free apron. Okay. Got a little pamphlet in Japanese. Oh, so cute. Oh, very nice pink. This is what I call very good wrapping. That's why I trust my personal shopper in Japan very much. Yay. Cute. So I already opened the one on the right, and this is the Chiffon Pink traditional round Dutch oven. And now the sage. I adore this color. This color is just so relaxing. Beautiful. The sage and the Chiffon Pink one are the same size, 3.5 quarts, but you can tell that the one on the right has wider handles, and that's what makes it signature. And so there you have it, the subtle differences. Of course, they cook the same. Here's my new set of Creuset round Dutch ovens in sage and Chiffon Pink.